How to fix Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix Roblox error code authentication failed 403. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now this error could be happening due to a couple of reasons and there are multiple ways to fix it and get around this issue. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the very end. First of all, what we will do is we will just go ahead and then open up our search menu, and if you have the admin permissions, you want to go to this folder which is called percentage. Then you want to type in app data, so just type in percentage and type in app data and again finish it with percentage. Once you type this in, you'll find this file folder. Just click on it to open it up. Once you're on this specific page, navigate to the app data page and then go to the option called local at the very top. Here you'll find a folder called Roblox. So just search for the Roblox folder and delete all of the contents inside that Roblox folder, and then you can proceed to delete the folder itself. Now in my case, I already deleted it, so you're not being able to see it. So if in your case that this is the Roblox folder, just right click on it and press the delete button. Once you've done that, you can navigate to your settings on your Windows, and once you navigate to settings, go to network and internet. Over here you want to go to the option called VPN. When you're on VPN, make sure you've not actually turned on VPN. Make sure to turn off VPN networks, because VPN is going to make your network slow as well. After that, if you're playing Roblox from your Roblox application on your device, try to play from your browser by going to roblox.com, or vice versa, which means that if you're playing from your browser, try to install the Roblox app on your device via Microsoft Store and see if that fixes the issue. Hopefully one of these solutions helps solve the problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.